Good morning, students. Today is lecture third of topic relations and functions. So, let's start with exercise 2.1. Question number 5th. If A set is equals to minus 1, 1, then we have to find the Cartesian products of A cross A cross A. So, students, let's start the solution. For this, I am going to explain you a trick. First, you have to fix the first element. First element is minus 1. Students, आपको क्या करना है? First element को आपको fix करना है. Okay. Now, students, we left with elements minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1 in the rest of the 2A set. So, students, आप देख सकते हैं we have two elements in both the sets, so in this way we get the total 4 arrangement. So students, by shuffling the numbers we can write minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 1 and 1 1. In this way we make the 4 elements. I repeat this same. First, fix the first element minus 1 and then make arrangement, do arrangement of the numbers minus 1 and 1 in the second and third position. Now, similarly, take the second element is 1. So, student, put 1 in the first position and copy down the second and third element as it is. In this way, you will get the total 8 elements. And yesterday in the previous topic, we have studied about the total number of elements in the Cartesian products are 2 into 2 into 2. That is 8. Now you can see that here we have total 8 elements. Okay. Now move to the next question. Here we have the next question. Question number 6. If A cross B is equals to AX, AY, BX, BY are 4 ordered pairs in this Cartesian product, and here we have to find A and B sets. So students, here given is A cross B and we have to find the set A and B. And you can notice here that A is in the first position, so all the ordered pairs, in all the ordered pairs, those elements which occupy the first position belongs to the set A, and those elements occupy the second position belongs to the set B. In this way we get A and B. Two elements belong to the set A and B is the set of all second elements. In this way we get X, Y. So students, बहुत ही easy question था. Next move to the question number 7. Here we have question number 7. Students, इस क्वेश्चन में हम सेट्स के कंसेप्ट्स का यूज़ करेंगे. Intersection, union, that all of you have already studied in first chapter, sets. So students, let's start the same. Let A set is 1 2, B is 1 2 3 4 and C set is 5 6, D is 5 6 7 8. Verify that A cross B intersection C is equals to A cross B intersection A cross C. Here we have to solve the left hand side and right hand side, and we have to prove that both the results give same. Okay. Now students, here we have the left hand side A cross B intersection C. So B intersection C, first solve the bracket. So in this way we have to find B intersection C. Intersection means common points. हमें B और C सेट में कॉमन पॉइंट्स को ऑब्जर्व करना है. तो आप देख सकते हैं B and C sets में there is no common point, so we will write here phi. Phi denotes the null set. So student, in this way we get B intersection C. Now it's time to find A cross B intersection C. कार्टीशियन प्रोडक्ट विद ए. स्टूडेंट्स, अगर हम किसी भी सेट का फाई के साथ कार्टीशियन प्रोडक्ट करते हैं देन वी विल गेट द सेम फाई. Okay, that is the null set and we can also say that empty set. Now start the right hand side. Here we have A cross B intersection A cross C. So first we have to find A cross B and then A cross C, and after that we have to take intersection. So in this way, A cross B, A is 1 2, B is 1 2 3 4. So student, first set is A. In this way we take one element and make ordered pair with rest of the elements, and we will get 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4. Similarly, make ordered pairs with 2 2 1 2 2 2 3 and 2 4. So again, find A cross C, Cartesian product of A and C. Here A contains 1 2 and C contains 5 6. So students, by the same procedure we find the Cartesian of A cross C. In this way we get the Cartesian product of both. Now we have to find the intersection. Students, आप यहाँ ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं A cross B, A cross C दोनों ही सेट्स में कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं है. In this way we get its answer is phi. Phi is null set and phi is also the answer of left hand side. In this way we get the result both are equal. Now students, move to the question number 8. Here we have 8th question. Let A set contains 1 2, B set contains 3 4. Write A cross B. Very simple question. And how many subsets will A cross B have and list them. Students, हमें A cross B में कितने सबसेट पॉसिबल हैं हमें ये लिखना है. इसके लिए हम फॉर्मूला यूज़ करते हैं. नंबर ऑफ सबसेट्स ऑफ A क्रॉस B इज़ 2 raised to power n. सो स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट फाइंड दी A क्रॉस B. A क्रॉस B बहुत ही सिंपल है. टोटल नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स कितने हैं? 4 हैं. नंबर ऑफ सबसेट्स ऑफ A क्रॉस B आर 2 raised to power n and total number are 4 and we will put 2 raised to power 4. In this way we get the answer 16. So students, we have here 16 subsets. Next question is 9th question. Let A and B be two sets such that number of element in A are 3 and number of element in B are 2. If x1 y2 z1 are in A cross B, find A and B set. स्टूडेंट, ऐसा ही क्वेश्चन अभी हमने किया था कि आपको A एंड B सेट्स को फाइंड करना है और कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट आपको गिवन है. सो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट बिलोंग टू फर्स्ट सेट A and second element belongs to the second set B. So in this way we can say that x, y, z belongs to A, 1 and 2 belongs to B. So students, in this way we get the answer. Very simple question. Here A set contains x, y, z and B set contains 1 2. Now student, move to the next question. This is the last question of exercise. Question number 10th is the Cartesian product A cross A has 9 elements among which are found -1 0 and 0 1. Find the set A and the remaining elements of A cross A. स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पर कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट हमें A क्रॉस A गिवन है क्या कि इसमें 9 एलिमेंट्स हैं और जिसमें से हमें 2 एलिमेंट्स गिवन हैं. 2 एलिमेंट्स है -1 0 0 1. फाइंड द सेट A और हमें यहाँ पर A सेट फाइंड करना है. इसका मतलब ये है कि बोथ दी सेट आर सेम A. You can see here. So students, first element belong to the first set, second element belong to the second set. In this way, because आप देख सकते हैं कि A सेम है इसीलिए 0 1 -1 all the 3 elements belong to the set A. So in this way we get the A set. So students, you can see the solution here. Since A cross A has 9 elements and so A would have 3 elements. Let A set contains ABC, so its Cartesian product is ABC ABC. आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं कि 3 सेट्स का इन्होंने 2 सेट्स का कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट किया है दैट कंटेन्स 3 एलिमेंट्स. नाउ -1 0 is the set in A cross A and 0 1 is set in A cross A as well. So students, in this way we get the A set -1 0 1. Okay. Now A cross A is -1 0 1 -1 0 1. स्टूडेंट्स हमें यहाँ पर 2 सेट्स हम फाइंड कर चुके हैं और बोथ दी सेट्स आर सेम. और अभी जस्ट मैंने आपको एक ऐसा क्वेश्चन कराया था कि हाउ टू फाइंड द कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द सेम सेट्स. इन दिस वे वी गेट A क्रॉस A -1 -1. आपको सिंपल क्या करना है, फर्स्ट एलिमेंट लेंगे -1 and make ordered pair -1 with -1 0 and 1. In this way we get the 3 sets. Similarly, fixed element 0 and make ordered pair with 0. We get 0 -1, next 0 0 and last one is 0 1. Similarly, fixed 1 and make ordered pair with 1. In this way we get 1 -1, 1 0 and 1 1. In this way we have completed this question. So students, today we have completed the exercise 2.1. So students, keep more and more practice. Thank you for watching the complete video.